Hello and welcome to IAdea. Today we will teach you how to remove and attach the backplate. First, you'll want to identify the placement of the hooks on the backplate. You'll find 4 hooks on each of the corners and 2 hooks above the USB port. On each hook of the corner, there will be a latch that will fit inside the back of the player. Here you will find the 2 horizontal latches that will fit above the USB port. Next, we will identify the placement of where the hooks will latch into the players. Here coincidentally there will be 6 places for you to latch. Next we will show you how to remove the backplate. Press the upper right hand corner of the backplate while pulling the player forward. Repeat with all corners. Now we can show you how to reattach the player. Match up the hooks with the corresponding holes on the player and press firmly to reattach the player. You will hear the For more information, visit us at www.idea.com.